Welcome to the 2025 Inktober Labyrinth Tangle Journey. I've created a toolkit with the templates, step outs, and beginner resources. Grab it with the link below. And if you want all the details about how this journey works, watch our intro video inside the playlist. I'll leave the link in the description and in the comments. This is a beginner Zentangle channel. We specialize in helping you get started step by step. The first thing that I do when I am going to do a step out is, if I don't have the template, that I have the stencil, and I am going to, that was created specifically for Zentangle step out patterns, and I'm going to draw this in now. There we go. So then the next thing we do is we write the name, which is Poppins. Now, I was never a calligrapher, so lettering is not my forte, folks, but it works. I'm going to try to get this a little closer so you can see. We use red or some kind of contrasting color to indicate when we are putting in a new step. Now, here's the new step. So now what we want to do is come over into step 2, and we put parallel line, and then the new step is it's going to be a kind of a U shape. Sitting on top of that parallel line. There you go. Now let's draw that again in this box here. So there's one. Now, what is the new step? Oh, this curvy. Like that. Something like that. Then we're going to come down to step 4. We're going to make our cup. There we go. And what is new is that we're going to just connect it. There we go. All right. I'm gonna, there we go. Now, the last step in the step out. So I'm gonna do just a little shading. So as there we go. All right. So we're going to add a little bit of shading in the cup here. The cup. And then we're going to take our blending stump and we're going to blend it down. There we go. Okay. So that's how you draw Poppins. If you enjoyed today's Tangle, grab the Inktober Labyrinth Toolkit. It includes the template, step outs, supply list, and beginner-friendly resources to make this journey easy. And if you'd like accountability and support, join our Creators Art Lab community where we draw together every week during the month of October. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a daily tangle. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you in the next video.